how can you export Android phone contacts to the VCF file? Let me talk about it. Let me show you how it works. And if you are new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So it depends on which app you are using, but most of them should have the option available, because if I go to my contacts like this, I can click on the 3 lines for more options. And when I go to the manage contacts section, I have so many options. So I can merge, import, export, move, or sync my contacts. So naturally, we want to click on export. You basically select all of the contacts and choose the storage, right? So you can click on export, and you can see that it literally creates the VCF file format with your contacts, right? You'll be able to then find it in your internal storage or wherever you decided you want to put it. But this is basically how you're going to do this. It's pretty simple and it's built into my app. But of course, you might be using a different contacts application which perhaps doesn't support it, but there is still the possibility to just download a dedicated application which will export your contacts. So if you look that up inside of the Google Play Store, you can get a export contacts application, which is going to be like a third-party app which will ask to access your contacts, and then it will just kind of like export them all in one file format which you want as well. So if you don't have it the way that I've shown you using the built-in solution, then you can also get a third-party app which will supplement for it. So that is how you can access it. Let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and videos similar to this one, and I'll see you later.